use AI as a user-generated content creator. This is so interesting. If you have been posting online just regular photos, you know, you could actually monetize those pictures. You can add in products, you can create different, all kinds of images, really, different outfit images. You can combine stuff. You can, I'll show you throughout this video different ways that I've been monetizing my Amazon storefront. And even though I've just started, it's been pretty fun and a pretty good deal. Here's another example from a friend of mine. She's doing the same thing. She's adding products to her photos and adding the links in the description. This is an AI generated photo, but it looks pretty legit. So this is how we're doing it. I'm going to give you a full walkthrough. And basically you're just going to take regular photos, even if they're just a normal picture, just like this one. This one, I actually was not wearing this sweater, but what I did was I added it onto an already existing image and made it look like I was wearing that sweater, even though I wasn't. But if you see right here, that's the Gemini logo. If you want, you don't have to keep it there, but yeah, I just forgot to crop it out. That's okay though. And we'll show you how you can just get those images, and I'll give you a quick process. So what you want to do is you want to go on Amazon and you want to find different products, something that you would actually wear, something that is your style, stuff that you would actually have in your home that matches your home's aesthetic. Everything that you would actually want to wear. This could help you actually make some dollars towards getting a cooler wardrobe, or even contacting these brands to make some sort of deal where you can review their products, create content for them, make those videos in exchange for free products. That has been around for UGC creators for a while now, but this adds a different element to it where we're actually not needing to buy things up front, and you can just go in and upload it right into your own creator account. You can go in to your profile. Oh, that's not it. I need to get back to my, where's my, aha, right. This is my Amazon storefront. I've got a couple different collections up here for the holiday season. We have different Halloween costumes for women. Here's Jennifer's body with Megan Fox. Her cheerleader outfit, so iconic. That's just one way to do it. That's not using AI. But this is. I added in this product using Gemini. But you can also use Nano Banana. It does pretty much the same thing. And you just import it. You can literally just upload both images, and I'll add in the prompt. That's pretty basic, but what you have to do is you want to write your own prompts out so that it does give you exactly what you're looking for and it doesn't make something strange. You're going to want to write out your own prompts. But here's more of a look. All this stuff, that's actually just things I found on the web and put together an outfit in a staged looks like abandoned building. I'm not sure. I was being a little creative for the Halloween season. I make some edgier alternative content, so that's my style. But your style could be totally different. It could be way more preppy and sunshiny than what I had got going on here. But that's okay. Everybody's got a cool way to express themselves. You can just do what you feels natural to you, or push or try other styles. So once you've added those products, in and you've created these AI generated images, you should probably take it to the next level. If you have your own website, start building shopping blogs. This is really a great way to make people engage with your content more. They'll go in, actually click links. So here's an example of that collection. I put together this shopping blog, and everything here links over into my Amazon storefront with all this stuff here. See that? Now on Amazon right there. You can use Canva to create these images too. You're going to want to create your own graphics if you're going to do something similar to like this, and then making a nice thumbnail either for YouTube or just your blog. And then take it a step further, and you're going to want to start posting on Pinterest, because those shopping blogs can't just sit there on your website. People need to view them. Over here on my Pinterest, pretty poppin', 160,000 monthly views, and everything I just showed you there is all already cross-posted on my Pinterest. So don't forget to automate your content. You can use Publer. I'm a big fan of Publer. I've been using Publer for a long time. If you don't know what it is, it's a social media scheduler. You can have it auto post and recycle and have anything be recurring on your social media feeds. So if something is relevant for the season, you can have things be reposted over and over and over again so that people don't miss it, because you know people will miss it. Only a portion of your audience sees every one of your posts, right? So you're going to want to keep using apps like these, and there's a free version, there's also a paid version, and I highly recommend getting the paid version because that's how you can add in all these extra accounts and have multiple posts going at once. You can add as many bulk posts, and then you can start scheduling it out and have things automatically post for you so that you don't miss a single day on any app. You're going to want to batch create this content because you don't want to sit on your laptop every day. I know that's the thing. People say they want to work from home, but nobody wants to sit at a desk all day. So that's why we have these apps that help us do more with less. And that's just a brief walkthrough of what we're doing here. If you want more information, I do have a new ebook that I'm putting out. It has the first version already created. You can have a look here. I give you a basic rundown of everything I just showed you in this video. If you want to check that out, it's only, I think it's on my website for only $17 possibly. There it is. $19. You can get this detailed guide with prompts for Amazon influencers and AI avatars. So even in this image, I'm not actually holding this book. That's an AI generated book. But I think this is an interesting way to create some cool stuff for e-commerce entrepreneurs if you want to try something different. Go ahead and tag me if you want me to give you any feedback on your AI generated UGC. And if you want to join our community, we have a Discord group. We also have a school community. So comment below if you have any other questions. And see you in the next video.